got one. Got one, guys. Ooh, got a good one. Got a really good one. Got a really... Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. That is what we're coming here for. Big bull brim. It's almost bigger than my hand, guys. With a cricket in his mouth. So, gonna go ahead and get your spoon. Then I'm gonna start with this big one here. I'm gonna start from the tail. And just kind of see all these scales, how they're peeling off. Just do that to about the first fin. The first dorsal fin right here, you can stop. Now the flies are gonna want to come, of course. Start the other side. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how I cut these after I scale them. See, the flies are getting bad. This knife should be sharp. I sharpened it. But you see the butthole right here? You're gonna start your cut right there. And you're gonna make your way down all the way to about the top of the head. And then you just continue. You get through the bone, and bam. Well, you just want to get this stuff out. You know, take this stuff, pull it out, toss it. Make these slits in the meat. Just kind of score the meat. Because they'll make it easier to pick the meat out from the bone after you fry them. Just going to do that on both sides. Just score it real good. Okay, that one's ready to be washed. So here I have the wash, and I have the fish right here. So I have hot sauce, 2 eggs, like a cup of milk, and then here for the batter I have flour with Tony's, garlic powder. I like basil, you don't have to put basil, and then onion powder mixed into there, and then that's what we're gonna batter it with. So there's one. Hey, another. This batch is ready. Ooh. Taste review on these fish. As you can see, they look pretty crispy. And the good thing about leaving them whole like this, you can do this. Very good though. Highly recommend.